Hello there and welcome back to another video. How are you guys doing today? My name is Shiraz and you are watching my channel. On this channel I make regular content, and the last content I created on this channel was I think a month ago. Yeah, I'm not really that regular, am I? So I'm not that regular. I'm so sorry guys, but it's just like the life is so busy and I'm so lazy as well actually. So this is my channel and every once in a while I post videos here, and today's video is why I love my Tesla. No, actually today's video is how to use your ps5 controller in your Tesla Model 3 or in any other Tesla. Those who follow this channel know that I have a Tesla Model 3, my baby. I love that car. I love driving that car. Those who don't own this car doesn't know that this car has a lot of features. The computer in this car is very strong, so you can play games here. Anyways, who doesn't love playing games? I love playing games on my PS5. I play whenever I get time. I just play on my PS5. I also have a gaming PC, so all the games you can't play on PS5 you can actually go and play on your PC, which are the same games you can play on your Xbox. But since I've got married, I've got a creature in my house, my wife. She doesn't let me play. Whenever I start playing games, she does this. It's very annoying, isn't it? So then comes my car. I love my Tesla because you can actually play games on the Tesla's screen. But the games inside the car are not PS5 games. They are just pre-installed games. So some of the games are okay for time pass and stuff, but it's better than nothing. Something is better than nothing. So I just pick up my PS5 controller. Yes, you can connect your PS5 controller in your car, in your Tesla, sorry, not in your car. And you can play games. But whenever she doesn't let me play games on my PC or on my PS5, so every now and then when she kicks me out of the house, I just pick up my PS5 controller and I just go play games in my car. मैं जा रहा हूँ घर छोड़ के, तो मुझे गेम नहीं खेलने देती।
जाओ वापस ना आना दे।
मैं सच में वापस नहीं आऊँगा अब, तो मुझे गेम नहीं खेलने देती।
तो बुला कौन रहा है?
Bye. And that is why I love my Tesla, because I can play games in my car, and then I'm not coming back home because I'll be playing games in my car. Okay, I'm looking beautiful. Let's go. So first things first, you need a USB-C to USB-C cable if you want to connect your PS5 controller in your Tesla. So both sides should be USB-C, like this side and that side. You see that? There are two connectors here, this and that one. So you connect to the first one. Come on. Second one goes into your PS5 controller. It's very hard to make a video with one hand. So yeah, so this is connected here, as you can see. And the second part is connected here. Don't worry about the mess in my car. It's always messy. After that, you need to go on your toy box. And in the toy box, there's this thing called Arcade. And this is all the games you can play, right? You see that? So for example, if I want to play this game, click on this and it starts, and then with the PS5 controller attached, right, as you can see, I can control 1 player, 2 player settings, extra, and if I click on it, you know, I can actually stop playing this, like, there you go. Can you see that? Ooh, whoa. Oh, bloody hell. Come on, man. You... Alright, okay. As you can see, I'm a very good driver. So you can also play games with the Tesla steering wheel, like this this car game in this car. So you press on the chill mode, and if you start this, and yeah, so you can use your steering mode to go left and right. Whoa. It's actually hard to do this with the steering wheel. Ew. As you can see, I'm a very, very good driver. I'm a very good driver. So now the gaming is done and my wife is ringing me. She is missing me. She is missing me a lot. So that's why I'm actually going home. I'm feeling very hungry right now. So the dinner is ready and I need to get back home. And on that bombshell, there's a mosquito in my car. There is a mosquito in my car, man. I need to pick up my camera as well, innit? Bye for now.